Laminate Floor SOS, rescue dents and bubbles with this dollar-saving hack. Have you discovered dents on your laminate floor at home? Fear not. This simple trick will save you from spending a single dollar on replacements. Laminate floors are found in almost every household today, and it's no wonder they come in various price ranges and look aesthetically pleasing on the floor. However, due to humidity, dents may appear on them from time to time. There's no need to panic because there's a simple trick to fix these dents without spending a cent on repairs. Let me know in the comments below what are your best tricks how to save the flooring, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more awesome hacks. Let's go! How to rescue dents on laminate flooring. Dents on panels are a common issue for those who have opted for laminate flooring. Some of them, especially the cheaper models, are not waterproof and cannot withstand significant soaking or humidity. Bubbles start to appear on the surface of the laminate under the influence of water. The main culprits include leaks from dishwashers or washing machines, pools of water standing on the panels for an extended period, such as poorly run-out mops, water spilled from pet bowls, and winter shoes wet from snow or rain stored in one place. To prevent panel swelling, it's essential to quickly wipe any wet spots dry. However, there are situations where moisture goes unnoticed. Fortunately, there's a simple trick with an iron that will help you get rid of these unsightly bubbles. Procedure 1. First, thoroughly dry the surface of the panels where the liquid was spilled. In some cases, higher quality panels may return to their original shape after thorough drying. 2. Take a cotton towel or cloth. Be cautious, it must be made of natural fabric to prevent melting due to the iron's high temperature. 3. Set the iron to medium heat without steam. 4. Place the towel over the bubble, press it down with the warm iron, and gently iron the dent. 5. Be careful not to burn the panels, and check periodically what's happening beneath the fabric. 6. After a few minutes, the panels should return to their original shape. How to care for laminate panels. Use a vacuum cleaner nozzle designed for hardwood floor cleaning to remove dust or dirt. An electrostatic cloth is suitable for catching hair and debris effectively. Avoid wet mopping laminate floors. Instead, wipe them with a damp cloth or a slightly moist mop. Finish by wiping the wet surface with a dry cloth. Best of luck!